Hello kids, it's the quiz time. You have 5 seconds for answer. So let's get started. Guess the animal. It's a cat. Guess the animal. It's an elephant. Guess the animal. It's a cheetah. Guess the animal. It's an antelope. Guess the animal. It's a bear. Guess the animal. It's a bison. Guess the animal. It's a penguin. Guess the animal. It's a sheep. Guess the animal. It's a llama. Guess the animal. It's a lion. Guess the animal. It's a lemur. Guess the animal. It's a king cobra. Guess the animal. It's a rhinoceros. Guess the animal. It's an anteater. Guess the animal. It's a raccoon. Guess the animal. It's a giraffe. Guess the animal. It's a seal. Guess the animal. It's a donkey. Guess the animal. It's a duck. Guess the animal. It's a hamster. Guess the animal. It's an iguana. Guess the animal. It's a squirrel. Guess the animal. It's a koala. Guess the animal. It's a chicken. Guess the animal. It's a cougar. Guess the animal. It's an armadillo. Guess the animal. It's a boar. Guess the animal. It's a deer. Guess the animal. It's a fox. Guess the animal. It's a camel. Guess the animal. It's a kangaroo. Guess the animal. It's a gorilla. Guess the animal. It's a yak. Guess the animal. It's a crocodile. Guess the animal. It's a zebra. Guess the animal. It's a hyena. Guess the animal. It's a wolf. Guess the animal. It's a turtle. Guess the animal. It's a frog. Guess the animal. It's a cow. Guess the animal. It's a pig. Guess the animal. It's an ostrich. Guess the animal. It's a dolphin. Guess the animal. It's a peacock. Guess the animal. It's a dog. Guess the animal. It's a rabbit. Guess the animal. It's a hippopotamus. Guess the animal. It's a panda. Guess the animal. It's a flamingo. Guess the animal. It's a hedgehog. Well done, kids. Keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.